Hi, I'm Daryl Ramirez. I'm 28 years old. I'm currently employed as a machinist at Microchip Technology, Philippines. I have experience in machinist in 10 years, and today is trade test. I'm a grade this one. Today we are going to do a trade test. This work is from this we have jumper, threading, grooving, turning, and the last hexagon. Once again, I'm Daryl Ramirez. This is my final output, and I will measure it. As per drawing, the measure of jumper is 2 by 45 degrees. In my workpiece, the measure is 2 mm. As per drawing, the thread and the pitch is M20 by 2.5 pitch. I will measure the diameter of thread. The final measure of thread is 19.5. As per drawing, the height of groove is, the final measure is 3 mm. As per drawing, the diameter of this one is diameter 25. I will measure my workpiece. The final measure is 25.1. Then I will measure the diameter of groove. As per drawing is diameter 17. I will measure my workpiece. The final measure of the diameter of groove is 17.1. This one, as per drawing, is diameter 30. I will measure my workpiece. The final measure of my workpiece is 30.3. This one is a view hexagon, but I will measure the height of hexagon. As per drawing is mm. I will measure the height of hexagon based on drawing is mm. I will measure my workpiece. The final measure of height of hexagon is 10.3. I will measure the width of hexagon based on drawing is 26 mm. I will measure my workpiece. My final measure of hexagon in my workpiece is 26.4. Then, based on drawing, the final height of workpiece is 86 mm. I will measure my workpiece. The final measure is 86 mm. Then, this is my final output. That's all. Thank you.